Add music to your WhatsApp status. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to add music to your WhatsApp status. Now, adding music to your WhatsApp status makes your photos or videos more interesting. So to do it, you just need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, and also make sure that you have WhatsApp installed on the device. So if you have not installed WhatsApp and if you are not logged into your WhatsApp account, then this is the video for you. So simply was so and if you have not installed the app, you just need to install from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the WhatsApp account and make sure that you are logged in. The thing which you need to do is that you just need to go on the option of updates at the very bottom, or you just need to click on the option of status at the very bottom of the screen. And the thing is that WhatsApp doesn't have a direct music button in many instances. You can still add music through various methods, so that if you want to add status like this, so if you want to simply add music to your photos, then you just need to tap on the option of music, or if you want to add image and add music, then simply add the image and click on the option of music at the very top left. So you will see various music over here. Simply select the music which you want, and you may also search the music which you like. And if you don't have the option of music, then you may simply play the music on a background, and you may simply screen record it, and you may just add it like that. So that's it. That's how you can add music to your WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.